What they taught you in school barely scratches the surface of economic reality. You must understand what drives economic change to discover financial opportunities. Most news is just noise that captures clicks, followers, and likes. However, some news influences economic activity, but it is not always obvious. For example, the price swings of everyday items are a more vital indicator of economic change than the S&P 500. Influential social media posts often have a more significant impact than an article in a business newspaper. The economy runs on electricity, oil, food, and metals. A disruption in these areas will cause problems. Electricity is becoming the most crucial aspect of economic activity. Oil becomes transportation or electricity. Changes in food prices signify whether geopolitical relations are improving or deteriorating. Metals are a critical input for economic output. What is reported and what is occurring are often very different. The Green Agenda is designed to create a carbon credit market. Major corporations announcing inclusive hiring are doing so to lower labor costs. Large shareholders have a more significant influence on companies than their customers. Much has come to light since Estimen's CR2 causal AI has begun learning from global economic data. Companies with inclusive hiring practices have seen a steady decline in payroll expenses, including lower salaries. Organizations promoting sustainability are financially invested in green technology and carbon credit markets. Brands doing things that alienate their customers are under the influence of assertive shareholders. Regardless of your position, the point is that economic activity has an agenda. By understanding the agenda, you can realize what will happen next. News explains the current agenda, but you must dig deeper to understand the impact. See what else Estiman knows with a demo. If you are a researcher studying AI or economics, you can also request subsidized access.